Hey everybody, preparing you for tomorrow's lab. I'm about to send out this announcement to you. If you click here, it's a very short video. It's about 9 minutes that shows you the light microscope and the different parts of it and how to use it. The Amoeba sisters do a great job. And then I've linked here also the lab manual. We're in the 7th edition of the lab manual. If you don't have the 7th, see if you can return it to the library or to the bookstore and get the 7th. But some of you are still having questions about what I'm looking for with the 5 questions with answers. So the point for this is to make sure that you come into class having prepared for the lab activity and know what to do and how to do it. So the 5 questions with answers are about the procedures. So these are the objectives of what you're going to learn. This is the introduction that explains how the microscope works. This is going to be similar with what you're seeing with the Amoeba sisters do on the video. But activity 2.2 is one of the procedures of the lab. So one of the things that you could say with a question is, when you're putting a specimen underneath the microscope, what power magnification do you use? And the answer would be 4x. Okay? The next question could be, when you're raising the stage to put the microscope image into focus, which focus knob do you use, the coarse or the fine? And then you would explain either coarse or fine. Okay? And here you could talk about the total magnification and what does it mean to do a field of view. What is the field of view? And the field of view is the distance across which you can see under the microscope. So I hope you get the point of what I'm asking you to do there. It's to read through it and figure out how to do it. I'm not asking you to know what the answers are, but what the procedures are. So which specimen do you look at first? The letter E. Which specimen do you look at second to determine depth of field? The threads. Okay, that's all I'm looking for. Nothing big. See you tomorrow in class. Thank you so much. Send me notes if you have them. Questions.